We already have preheating our oil. That's why you hear a little. Okay, so today I have three foods for you guys, which is a Somalian dish. We have a sambusas. Actually, some sambusas it can be all around the world between Somalia, India, basically everybody. All right. So we just make it different way. So today we have a beef sambusa. I'll show the ingredients at the end. We have Bajira, which is just beans. I'll show the. I already prepared this, and we have marinated chicken that was marinated overnight. Let's get this fried. We're gonna fry the sambusa first. We're gonna use the same pot of oil. So you're gonna drop it in there like. So you're gonna wait until it's golden like this. After that, you're gonna take it out and place it in a paper towel so the oil can be drained. It's very crispy. It smells so delicious. We make this usually during fasting time a lot, and sometimes when we're hanging out with the family members or when we just miss it. Now we're gonna cook the bajia. The bajia you can cook either using, first to mix it up when you let it sit there for a while like this. You can either use your spoon like that and make it nice circle. Or you can grab a water and wash your hand and dip it like this and dip it in. Be careful with your hand. It should be very fluffy, very golden. Lower the heat if it's cooking too fast. Lower the heat so you can get more on there. It should become like this crispy brown. See that? So delicious. Now we're gonna be frying the chicken, but before you fry it, give it a little mix so that all that marinade overnight can go into the chicken. Or you can do it like 5-6 hour marinade too. So basically you're gonna take it, make sure that the oil is pretty hot. We're gonna fry the chicken for about 30 minutes. We want it to be very crispy and no liquid juice from the bottom. Since the chicken now is ready, but for some people it won't be ready at like when it's sizzling like this. People wait until like it stops sizzling, but I will take it out right now. So I want that crispy, moist inside it to contain. And now I have another place to place it on to drizzle out the oil. So today I'm gonna teach you guys another hydrating water that you will enjoy it very much. And we're gonna use grapes, we're gonna use cubies, and we're gonna use lime to help you with your digestive system or whatever you think it helps you with. And we're gonna use honey for sweetness. I'm gonna enjoy this lovely hydrating water that just have a lot of fruit in it. It tastes very good. You can smell the lime. You can taste the honey. And thank you for enjoying for my cooking channel. And subscribe, like, share, and comment. And if you have a question, leave down there, down below. Bye. So after you got ready all your ingredients, and we're gonna add the green chili pepper, two of them, garlic to your taste, and also cilantro, and then onion, and we're gonna grind it together very finely. After it was grinded together very finely, we're gonna mix the 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder is to give it a little puffy, or make it a little puffy, I guess, and also egg white, just the egg white, not the yolk, and to your taste of like 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon of veggie seasoning.